Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on incognito mode in the foremost popular browsers on your Lenovo Yoga Tab 11. So I'm gonna start from the Opera. In this web browser, just click here on the tab icon and choose private. Add a tab, that's it. The next one is Firefox. On this welcoming screen, just click here. But if you have any tab opened, click on the tab icon, switch to the zero mask and add a tab. The next one is Microsoft Edge. Like in Opera, click on the three dot icon and choose new in private tab. And the last one, Google Chrome. Click here on the three dot icon or arrow icon and choose new incognito tab. And now your history, cookies, files, the completed forms, even words from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.